Hey guys, this is Rob at Lukat Detail. Hey, just want to let you know, a lot of people have been calling me up. It's not wax. This is actually a paint cleaner. That's why it works so well. It's really simple the way this works. If your paint job is old, it's tarnished, it's dirty, it's oxidized, this is going to clean it. Works on old base coats, removes the old oxidized patina safely, removes old oxidized metallic base coats, brings them back. Old hazy clear coats, you can use it on boats, camper shells, RV trucks, fiberglass, carbon fiber. It's a cleaner, not a wax. Watch these videos. You can also use it on your headlight lenses to clear them up. You can use them on your windows to remove the dust streaks. Okay, guys, take care of yourselves during these tough times. Later.